Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to blur a video in Capcut. So after you sign in with your account on Capcut, and you're going to choose the media from, or you're going to choose the video or the picture from your media, and then after you upload it, you're going to be able to see a video just like this one, right? Now what I'm going to do in order to blur the video, I'm going to just go ahead into right here the tools on my left, and I'm going to scroll a little bit down right here till you find the effects, basically, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Here you're gonna see the effects. Basically just go ahead and let me just go back to it, or let me get back to it, click the effects again, and then type blur, right? And after you type blur, you're gonna see the result, which is this one. And basically once I add this one or add this filter to this this media, you're gonna be able to see it. And if you want to extend it, you can extend it to the way that you actually want. Let me just go ahead and extend the the editing thing, because I want to get back to it ASAP. So basically you get the gist. You can just go back to right here and just choose the blur, for example, right? And here, as you can see, I can extend it to whatever length that I want, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.